In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Eisenhower matrix in Notion. We'll be combining the power of this effective productivity tool with the versatility of Notion to help you manage your tasks more efficiently. Let's dive right in and set everything up step by step. First, you'll need to create a new page in Notion. Begin by opening your Notion application. Once you're in, look for the option to add a new page. It typically appears as a small plus sign or a button labeled plus a new page. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter a name for your new page. For clarity and easy access, let's name this page Eisenhower Matrix. This title will help you quickly identify the page dedicated to organizing your tasks using this particular method. Now let's talk about how to actually use this setup in Notion. The Eisenhower Matrix is a time management technique that helps you organize tasks based on their urgency and importance. Essentially, it divides tasks into 4 different quadrants. In Notion, you'll capture tasks from anywhere and then sort them into the appropriate quadrant on your newly created page. To start sorting your tasks, whenever you come across something that needs your attention, jot it down and then later copy it into the right quadrant of your Eisenhower matrix. This process allows you to ensure that all tasks are categorized based on their priority and urgency. When you're in the heat of a busy day, just glancing at this matrix can give you a visual cue on what requires your immediate focus. For your due today quadrant, a critical tip is to keep this section small. Ideally, aim to have between 1 and 3 items here. This keeps your daily workload realistic and manageable, ensuring that you're focusing on only the most urgent and important tasks without overwhelming yourself. Next is dealing with tasks that land in the important but not urgent category. These should be moved into the schedule quadrant. When you're sorting tasks into this section, it's essential to attach a date to each of them. This practice keeps these tasks from languishing indefinitely and ensures that they find their place in your routine eventually. By allocating dates, you create deadlines that help to drive action and progress. Using the Eisenhower matrix in Notion not only helps in prioritizing tasks effectively, but also builds a structured approach to tackling your daily, weekly, and even monthly objectives. This setup empowers you to make informed decisions about where to allocate your time and energy. By setting up the Eisenhower matrix in Notion and practicing these steps, you're on your way to boosting productivity and improving time management. With practice, this matrix will become an invaluable tool in your productivity toolbox. Thank you for joining me today, and happy organizing.